Junction field effect transistor biasing. For the proper functioning of a linear FET amplifier, it is necessary to maintain the operating point stable. Let us select the best bias circuit called voltage divider bias to bias the JFET. The operating point should be independent of device parameter variations and ambient temperature changes. Resistors R sub 1 and R sub 2 connected on the gate side form a voltage divider. The bias line satisfies the equation V sub GS equals V sub GG minus I sub D times R sub S. Perform DC analysis for the voltage divider JFET biasing circuit. All the capacitors, including the bypass capacitor C sub S, have been replaced by an open circuit equivalent. The voltage V sub G equal to the voltage across R sub 2 can be found using the voltage divider rule. V sub G equals R sub 2 times V sub DD over R sub 1 plus R sub 2. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law in the clockwise direction will give the relation V sub G minus V sub GS minus V sub RS equals 0, and V sub GS equals V sub G minus V sub RS. Substituting V sub RS equals I sub S times R sub S equals I sub D times R sub S, the equation is reduced to V sub GS equals V sub G minus I sub D times R sub S. The drain current is obtained using this equation I sub D equals V sub G over R sub S. In this way, a proper Q point is maintained by calculating V sub GS and I sub D.